100. 8th mile going by at about 6.6 seconds at an indicated 107 miles an hour. And we are showing a 10.2 of some kind at 134 miles per hour. So, let's see how we did. Oh my goodness. Whew, it is a madhouse out here today. So, definitely not a night to get pass after pass after pass, but the passes seem to be pretty quality. So, let's see how we did here. By the way, guys, a lot of cars, I don't know if you can see these as I'm pulling through here, but a lot of cars braking tonight. Not a good night to be a Mustang, unfortunately. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep, showing 10.30 at 130 miles an hour. Can't really be upset with how the car is running. The DA is low, but it's humid. At least it feels humid. Haven't checked the actual humidity, but definitely not as crisp as it was when the car was running fairly consistent. Well, you know, 10, 20-ish. I mean, so far we got a 29 and a 30, so I'd say she's real consistent. But as opposed to being, like, instead of 40 degrees, it's like 53 degrees. Either way, DA is probably right at minus 100 feet. We're running 1030s. I'd say it's a dang good night. I'm having fun. So, sweet on that.